How to delete your Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can delete your Facebook account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Facebook account, basically the process is very simple. All you have to do is launch the Facebook application first, log into the exact account which you want to delete, and after that, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now if you're on iOS or iPhone, these menu icons could be at the bottom, so be aware of that and just tap on the menu icon. Once you go to the menu icon, here you have to scroll down, expand the menu called settings and privacy, and here we'll go to the option that says settings. As we go to settings, you'll be able to see all these sorts of various options, and under the account section you'll find this option that says access and control. So it says manage your data, modify your legacy content, deactivate or delete your account, which is exactly what you were looking for and more. So just tap on the access and control button. As you do so, you will see this kind of interface. It says deactivation and deletion, so just tap on it. Now whenever you try to delete your account, it will always try to prompt you up with a message claiming that you can actually deactivate instead of deleting, but you can be sure that if you want to delete your account, then just select the option called delete account and you'll lose all of the access to your Facebook account, and tap on the continue to account deletion button. As you do so, it says continue to account deletion, so we'll just select that again. It will ask us why we are leaving, so you can select any of the options, but I'll just select continue. Now keep in mind that actually you can go ahead and then keep your Messenger account if you only want to delete or deactivate your Facebook account, but that process you can deactivate Facebook account and keep your Messenger account. But assuming you want to get rid of all of this, so ignore all of this, scroll down to the bottom, tap on the option called delete account. It will ask you for a confirmation, which is basically the final step. Tap on continue and you can delete your account, but keep in mind that you still have 30 days to regain access back into your account if you somewhere change your mind in between, because deleting the account is a permanent process, so Facebook also gives you the time up to 30 days to change your mind, and after 30 days if you don't log in, your account is going to get permanently deleted and removed from the Facebook database. Hope this video helped you, and that's all it takes to delete your Facebook account. And if this video helps you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.